Welcome to our latest Decor Ideas YouTube channel where we showcase the most beautiful and highly sought after black and white stickers, waterproof wallpaper designs. In this video, we'll take you on a visual journey through a stunning collection of wallpapers that effortlessly combine the timeless elegance of black and white with the practicality of waterproof technology. In which number one is timeless monochrome elegance. Immerse yourself in the captivating charm of black and white designs that transcend trends and complement any interior style. We will explore classic patterns, geometric motifs, and intricate illustration that infuse your space with sophistication and allure. Number two is waterproof durability. Discover the wonders of waterproof wallpaper, ensuring your walls remain pristine and protected from moisture and spills. Whether it's for high moisture areas like bathrooms or kitchen backsplashes, these wallpapers offer both beauty and functionality. Number three is versatile design options. From minimalist stripes to bold graphic designs, we'll showcase an array of versatile options that cater to various design preferences and room themes. You'll find inspiration for every space, be it modern, traditional, or eclectic. Number 4 is die installation tips. Join us as we provide helpful tips and tricks for a seamless wallpaper installation process. Whether you are a die enthusiast or a first time decorator, these expert guidelines can make the application a breeze. And number 5 is customer favorites. Get a glimpse of the most popular and in demand black and white stickers, waterproof wallpaper designs as recommended by our viewers and customers. See firsthand why these wallpapers have earned rare reviews. Number 6 is endless creativity. Unleash your creativity with ideas on how to mix and match these wallpapers with different textures, colors, and decor essence. From accent walls to full room transformations, the possibilities are limitless. So, get ready to be inspired and captivated by these beautiful, attractive, and most demanding black and white stickers, waterproof wallpaper designs. Whether you are redecorating a single room or revamping your entire space, these wallpapers are sure to make a lasting impression. Therefore, these wallpapers are very important for your front wall or either you want to place this. So don't forget to like and share this video. Please subscribe my latest decor ideas YouTube channel and also hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming home decor and design inspiration videos. Let's embark on this exciting journey of elevating your living spaces with the timeless allure of black and white wallpapers. This type of wallpapers will be proved very helpful for you. So comment what's your favorite wallpaper in these wallpapers collections.